Yo, what up, guys? Today is a new video and a new update just dropped to Animal Company. If you didn't see the loading screen, it's the sewers or what it was, what people were thinking it will be. And I have my friend who's gonna be here and my video come out. Here, let's go. Yeah, so today we'll be checking out the update, telling everything about it, and thank you so much for 1,000 views on the last video. So yeah, thank you. Here, what up? Here, what we need is this and this. Right? Should I get the gold or should I? I'm gonna get the gold. I feel like getting the gold today. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, because the gold can Also, sadly, they packed the thing where you could go down to the.
Yeah, I made a video on it.
easier.
If you don't know, I made a video on it.
I got really sad because I felt there since they revamped this.
Oh crap! There's a new way. Wait, I think I remember from other updates. It's this way. That way, I guess. We're just gonna guess.
We need to go to the bottom of the mine so we can.
Oh, I found it! Found it! Oh my god! How do I know the map so good? Is there anything?
I was fell.
Oh, look! We can get some gold in here. You can have the research points. Do you want the research points? Oh, I just got a research. All right.
I have 7 research points.
I have 24. Oh, get this research. Get this research. All right.
You can't get everything in the game, but it seems like you can.
All right. I think we need to go down. I think we need to. Oh, danger! Look. Use your grappler just in case.
Yeah, I have my
look. Here, come.
There's a research point over here, so I'll get it real quick.
Crap. Spider, go up. Oh, you got him? Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh.
I'll save you 1 sec.
What the hell? Wait. What the hell is this for? What the hell is this?
Oh, you can eat it.
Wait, you can eat it? No way, you're a revolver. Yes. Wait, I'm gonna try eat it. I'm low. Oh, it heals me. Wow, bro. Everything is pink.
You want this?
Wow. I'll keep it, I mean. Dude, oh. Now it's everything kind of back to normal.
So, one sec. I need my research points. Where is the place? Did you find it?
Yeah, so I found it, and you have to go up here. Then up here. Then up here. Here. Then up here. Then up here. And this way. Look. Found it. Let's go kill him.
Kill us? Well, we just killed you.
God.
Oh, shoot.
We are near it.
My hand's stuck.
Oh, crap. Yeah, get it out.
What'd you get?
I got a grenade.
We don't need them. I own them. You mining gold?
Yeah, I'm mining gold. Oh my god, we're almost there.
Did you put anything inside your backpack?
No. Oh my god, we're at the new update.
If we die, we could just use our grappler.
Look. What the hell? So look at these ones. I think they combine the energy.
Oh, this looks so weird.
What is this sound?
Just go down.
Wait, is there any new crystals?
Bro, there's wires. We can go through here. What is this? Come on, you go first.
This does not look cool. I
This
mean,
does not
it is
look
a
like
good
Animal
update, but
Company.
it's just scary. This is scary,
This
man.
is not. Well, this is not Animal Company. This is Wire Company.
What are these sounds? Why does it sound like J-Man Curly? What? This is forever. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is forever. Oh man. It's like there's no way to go down there. Dude, you could be the beans. Wait, I don't know. I mean, I'll find it. Let's go forward. This looks like sewers. There's nothing. None. Go down, there's nothing. No, there's nothing. I'll check. Yeah, just the wall. Go down. We just Oh my god.
Wait, I remember this. They put this in a picture. Remember?
No, I do not remember. Oh my
They made
god.
like a lava picture of like a cave.
Oh
type of
my
thing.
god.
But what is this? Like,
Yo, what are these bees? Nah, bro. What a...
what is this? It's after you.
Go back. It's gonna kill us. Where are you?
I don't know.
We have to go around. I see you.
Oh, there you go.
Hey,
There you
come.
are.
Follow.
What's the new crystal?
What the hell?
Oh, they're bombs. They're hurting me.
I don't know what is happening. Oh, I saw it. I saw you guys. Hey, stop.
I'm scared.
Do not run away from me.
Hit me.
I'm getting crystals. Bro. Hello? Come, come, come. Come, bro.
Your voice.
Come, bro.
Hi, bro. We literally just got here. And it's so crazy. Like,
I know.
Animal Company big of this.
Yeah, how'd you do this in 1 week? Oh, I think this is the end. I think this is the end. We have to go in the portal.
Which portal?
This one. Just follow. It is a portal. It's pulling me. Look.
Okay, you ready?
Let's go in. Finally. Let's go in. What the hell? Oh. Oh my god. We did it.
Did you get any stuff?
Yeah, I got some stuff. I got the new orbs.
What was that?
I got the
Wait,
new
take that out
orbs.
again. Take that out.
Wait, I'm gonna put my stuff in my bag. Look, it's the new
Look, I got
orbs.
nothing. I want to
New
see
orbs.
this.
Here, do you want to go sell them?
Yes, I want to see how
Let's go
much
sell them.
these are
Let's go.
worth. I want to keep this one. I mean, like, this
Yeah,
one's so cool.
I have a lot. I have a lot. I have another one.
Alright, I'm gonna keep.
Wait.
Why is the texture kind of like look like a lava-ish like ice cream kind of?
Yeah, kinda. Wait, I'm gonna keep one for
I just
myself.
want to eat it.
I heard in Publix. I heard in Publix they sell for 600. So let's check that. Ready?
Alright, don't tell me. Don't tell me.
I'm not going to. All right, let's see how much they sell for.
Way.
We fly away. Oh wait. Oh, actually, bro, they actually sell for 600.
600.
I got
That's
1,400 because I have more like of these thingies.
Alright, we need to go mining more.
Yeah. Wait.
I mean, like, this video is like
Alright.
really long, but we still need a lot.
Alright, so the results are a new giant map that I really love, but it's really hard to get there. It's okay. We can do it.
It takes
If you're not lazy and you can do it, so
It
you
takes
believe
so
in
long.
yourself. And 2 new items. Actually, no,
My-
there's 4 items in this new update.
my friend.
First item, the crystals. The crystals are
Yeah. Here, I'll show you guys the crystal.
the crystals. So look.
Look
Yeah.
at this.
Yeah. So this crystal looks like lava
And it
and like
floats.
combined with cubes. So yeah, it's really cool. The second item,
Ice
we don't
cream.
have it, but it's the Valentine's gift. Okay, what it does is it generates your health. I think it's 100 health, so like full health, and it makes your screen like purple, like all of these colors.
Like a
Valentine's.
pinkish.
Yeah,
a
like pink,
pinkish.
purple. I think you saw it at the video. Third item, my bad. You did not probably notice. You did not notice this, but look. They got the rope gun, the zipline gun, my bad. And they got the ammo,
Oh,
so
there's
yeah.
zipline.
So I have a
ammo.
lot to unlock. Yes,
Friend, I can buy it.
so thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Sub, like, I don't know, you can comment whatever you want to. And yeah, I'm gonna be posting more of
Don't-
Disco virus
Wait,
viral.
don't-
See ya.